Okay, next we come to the factor affecting the enzyme reaction. When we're talking about the factor affecting the enzyme reaction, we can say or we can discuss about the factor that can increase, okay, that can increase the functioning of the enzyme, or they can also explain about the factors that can decrease the function of the enzyme. Okay, if let's say I want to say the factors that can increase the function of enzyme, so definitely they were going to be, what? Okay, so they were going to be high substrate concentration with high enzyme concentration with optimal pH and optimal temperature that's present, and you have the cofactor and no inhibitor is present. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 factors that can increase the efficiency of the enzyme reaction. So how does the enzyme can reach the highly efficient? They must have high substrate concentration, high enzyme concentration, optimal pH, optimal temperature, present with cofactors, and absent of inhibitor. Okay, if everything is actually being run, then it will be exactly correct lah. You're going to get a very high efficient enzymatic reaction. But how about lowering? If let's say today is lowering, which is going to write in red color, when does the factors that can lowering the effect of the enzyme? So when you have a very low concentration of the substrate, very low concentration of the enzyme, and we have the extreme pH that actually present, and also the extreme temperature is actually present. We cannot use the word low or high pH or low or high temperature because different enzymes work at different optimal temperature. Some enzymes work at 100 degrees Celsius. And for them, 70 degrees Celsius is low temperature. But for humans, 70 degrees Celsius is an extremely high temperature. All the enzyme in the function in human will be malfunction during the 70 degrees Celsius. But for bacteria that live in the hot spring, 70 degrees Celsius is too low for them. So when we want to give the factor that affecting the or lowering the enzyme reaction, then we cannot use the word high or low. We need to use the word extreme. Extreme high and extreme low of pH, extreme high and extreme low of temperature, and then absent of cofactor, present with inhibitor. So again, 6 factor that can lowering the function of enzyme. So this is the 6 factor itself. So hopefully you all can actually understand